$100 in? Can we double? Or will we nothing? Let's find out. High limit, lightning link, hot and horny. $25 a spin. Come on, first spin, but just joking. No, I was joking. You jerk. Oh. We got Felicia Fuckface down there for $30. Why weren't you up there, Mr. Kitty? Nobody knows. Get the briefcase. No. Damn it. Do it. She did done. I thank you for that, you jerk. Come on, we got a ball. That is a huge hand pay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it was a last spin. Whoa! Meow, 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 meow. We're waiting for Tyler right now. To wait here for you for that. Do you see how much that is?
Shit ball. That's already a hand bet. Yeah.
That goddamn right! Yes!
Very nice.
Spin that shit. Oh, he's got it. That was torturous as hell. Got it! Ooh. Yes! Oh, she can't spin. Fuck off. Throw that one back. That's not a keeper. Oh, you can't spin. Oh, okay. No, but you are. Yeah! Oh, fate rests in your hand, sir. Get it. Oh, you got it. Yeah. Oh. Is that more than an earlier hand pay? Too much money.
29.
You're a bad influence. I don't normally do that. What's going into me? Nobody knows. Reckless betting. Yep. Bankruptcy for days. Oh, I don't get it now. Fuck that shit. Is there people looking? Oh, you're like, give me looking over to the dance. Do your dance. Meow. What was the other one? 31.28?
31.80.
It was kind of torturous to sit here for 5 minutes waiting for you to get. Do you have a cigarette or something? Oh, that's fine. It doesn't matter. Those are good. You were gonna get some nice offers, I think. You're gonna get some. Do you hear that bell? Is that a burglar alarm? Are they trying to take my money? Oh, there's the saloon. Subscribe to this new channel for additional SD Guy content by clicking here. Otherwise, are you new to SD Guy? Then click here to subscribe to my main channel. Thanks for watching.